Hey, I'm Sam from Kibble Equipment, and I'm here with the brand new ST Series strip till rig from John Deere. Now this is a partner product with Environmental Tillage Systems, who builds the Soil Warrior strip till rig. Now this isn't the same strip till rig that's been on the market for years, mind you. This has a lot of new features that are brand new for this year and brand new for John Deere. Specifically, so this unit is a drawn unit, what we'd call a drawn unit, so that the dry tanks are mounted on the cart frame. There is also now an integral unit, or what you'd call a 3-point mounted strip till bar. That unit is available in either a 12 or a 16 row 30-inch configuration. The drawn unit from John Deere is available up to 16 row in 30-inch and then up to 18 row in 20 or 22-inch. So the first thing you're going to notice on the drawn unit is the dry tanks that are mounted on the frame. These are two 5-ton or 160 bushel steel tanks, so that's 10-ton total product on the frame. They do have stainless steel meters, and then they do have load cells built into each corner that feed to two separate integrated displays. And this unit will be fitted with a John Deere Rate Controller 2000, so then we can monitor the total amount that the rate controller sees versus the actual amount that the tank is weighing on there to make sure that we're putting down the right amount of product in the field. Another great option on the drawn unit is this steerable hitch, so that's the cylinder you see right here. Now when you pair this with an app controller and a receiver on the back of the cart, we can do active implement guidance. The really nice part about having this built into the frame is that we don't need to add anything off the back of the tractor to achieve active implement guidance. It's already built into the frame here. All right, now back to the row units, and I think it's really important to first call out that this is the newest row unit design from Soil Warrior. It is a dual Coulter on this unit. There's also an option for a shank, and those are interchangeable. Now, as far as down pressure on the row units, it is a dual airbag system on the drawn machines. It is a single airbag on the integral machines. Another thing important to point out is, as far as control of the row units, we have separate control of wheel track row units versus all the other row units that are on the tool, which is important so that we can account for any kind of surface compaction that we get from behind the wheels. Now, as far as components on this row unit, we start up front with the row cleaners. These are standard. They do come with this depth band on there. If there is situations maybe where we're getting some mud buildup, they can be removed with those 4 bolts, or they can be pinned up. Now the lead Coulter on the front is going to be a 13-wave 17-inch blade. That is going to be on both the shank unit and the Coulter unit. As far as the Coulters that are on this machine, these are the 13-wave 20-inch kind of standard Coulter blade. We do also have an option for an 8-wave blade, which is going to be more aggressive with horizontal soil movement, or there is also an 18-wave blade that is going to be really aggressive slicing into that strip. Now the closing system on this row unit, this is a 25-inch containment blade. It's not really doing any tillage, but it's keeping whatever we've worked inside that strip within the strip. As far as the baskets or the berm builders that would be on the back of the row unit, there are 2 options. One of them is a straight bar, round bar basket. The other one, which is the one right here, is the flat bar berm builder basket. So the built-in arch is actually designed to create a berm that obviously when it settles out for the spring would be flat. Now if you were using this maybe in the spring or you wanted a flatter berm, we can install bars in 2 separate locations to change the profile of that berm or that strip that comes out the back of the tool. It does not come standard with this broom.
No.